What's up everybody? In this video, I will be showing you how you guys can use the Upwork as a beginner to get your first client. So for that, in this video, I will be showing you some tips and tricks, a full guide, and some prerequisites that you need to know before you starting a Upwork account. So let's dive right into the video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like the video, comment on the video, share the video, and subscribe for our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any further updates. So let's dive right into it. So number one thing is opening an Upwork account. So number one thing is don't open an Upwork account with multiple IDs to get more clients because Upwork is gonna cancel out all the other accounts. You're gonna just stay up with one account because you need some verification in order to get some authenticity. For example, you guys can see that I have a freelancer identity badge. I have proven my identity using my NIC or passport. So you guys can do that too. Uh, this is the first thing. The other thing is that you need to improve your profile. How you guys can do that by completing these steps. It says complete your profile. So simply go ahead and click on it. And what you have to do is to provide some basic stuff like employment history, portfolio, education. Uh, that could be a video introduction about yourself and what you do, certifications of things that you have done, and the other thing is the experience, the boot camps, the conferences, and the awards that you have got from the those conferences and surveys. So these are some things that you have can do that I have done four things: profile photo, overview, skills, linked accounts with that profile. And if I add the employment history, I'll get the 100% of it. So if I go visit my profile, let me show you guys something. What I have proven that I have created two different profiles over here. Actually, three different profiles, one for video editing, one for backend development, and the other one is for all sort of works. So if I click on the backend development, I will see a different sort of profile right here. So if I go for the video editing, I will see a specific video editing profile right here. So if you are going with a specific needs, make sure that you have a specific profile for that. So guys, the clients can have a detailed overview of your profile. So the other thing is giving a portfolio. So you guys can provide a portfolio link to your work that you have done, and work history is important. So if you have got any work from the Upwork, that could be a major boost to your profile. So other than that, provide your basic information like your education, your verifications, and your certifications, the languages that you speak, and then the next step is how to approach clients. So first thing first is that you have to set up a niche and you should know that what skill sets you have, and according to that you have to search for the jobs. For example, if I go and search for the jobs like article writing, here you guys can see that I have searched up the article writing, and all the jobs with these keywords has shown up here. So number one thing is you need to know that are they verified. So if they haven't have a past record, that could be a catchy thing because there can be a scam or other thing because there are any sort of scams on Upwork. So you need to be very careful about it. If anybody asks you for like, I'm gonna provide you a job, but before that you have to provide, give me some money for safety side. So that is a total scam. Don't invest a single penny on the internet. If anybody says that I'm gonna give you work if you give me like 50 pounds, don't do that. It's a scam. So for example, here's a job. It says journalist, research writer for the YouTube channel. So first thing first, what you have to do is to simply go ahead and read the complete review, the job description. So for example, he says that, hello friend, please read this in depth and avoid wasting your time and our time with applying if you don't fit the criteria. So we produce mini documentaries exactly like Bloomberg Original plus WSJ, etc. And we do research on topics and then write the scripts. We are looking for someone who understands business, finance, technology, and journalism. If you haven't done any journalist work before, please don't bother. And they have provided a YouTube video link so you guys can check it out in order to get the brief in-depth of the job description, what they are actually looking forward to. And then we need you to work with our producer in research, forming narratives, and then eventually writing. Your job will be to assist in research. We need you to dig up the content, news articles, data, etc. on the topic. This is full-time work and we'll be working with you for about 4 or 5 videos minimum a month. So please share your how you can help us, and we will ask you to submit a script before finalizing for work, and ChatGPT generated work is not accepted. So if you're somebody who cannot do the job properly by himself and vastly depends upon the AI for the help, so you guys don't have to like actually apply for that. So if I'm gonna go for the application process, what I have to do is to simply write a cover letter and propose my document with a attached document of my portfolio if I have one for the particular job. So here you guys can see that there is a cover letter option. What you have to do is to write a cover letter. And if you have a cover letter written in a sort of a PDF file, you can upload that as well. See, and after that, upload your portfolio project, or you can include the portfolio link. If you have a Google Chrome portfolio or a Medium portfolio, you can attach the link in the cover letter as well. Then this is a bidding proposal, so you guys can need to bid the proposal. So this is how it goes. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.